Hi, Andrew here at WiseLine Tools. Today I'm excited to introduce Kreg's new game-changing MortiseMate loose tenon jig, the ultimate solution for creating strong, precise mortise and tenon joints using just a drill. The MortiseMate features a portable workstation and quick bench setup, dust collection attachment to keep your space clean, auto indexing for ultra-precise mortises, lowering the cutter by 1/16 per pass, adjustable setup for material thickness from 1/2 to 1.5 inches, a precision 6mm carbide tipped cutter with 8mm and 10mm cutters sold separately, micro adjustment screws for perfect tenon fits. Built with durable anodized aluminum and stainless steel, the MortiseMate is engineered to deliver precision and performance for years to come. Whether you're crafting furniture, frames, or cabinetry, Kreg's MortiseMate loose tenon jig will take your woodworking to the next level. Grab yours today at WiseLine Tools, where your projects come to life.